Hello Kickserv friends! In today's video I'll be talking about how to attach a file to a job or a customer record. Let's say that you have a job where you want to take a photo for a before and after to show it on your website. It is very simple. To add files to a job record, just go to the job record, and at the end of it there is the section for attachments. Either you can click on attach a file or you can drag and drop it like this. Upload files, and here we have it. You will be able to see all the files that you've attached in the customer record in the notes and file section. Let's go to it so you can see it. Notes and file section, and here we have it. Keep in mind that there is a 50 megabyte file limit for uploads directly to Kickserv. This file limit is to keep our service running fast and efficiently for everyone. And now to add a file to a customer record, go to Customers, select the desired customer, and then in here also Notes and Files. You can click in here and attach a file or also drag it and drop it. Keep in mind that the files that you add directly to the job record will appear in the Files by Job, which is this one, and the ones that you add in the customer record will appear in here in Files. Let's add one so you can see it. Here, Upload Files. And here we have it in Files, and the other one in Files by Job. Well, this is it for today. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that video alerts. Keep having a good day and see you soon. Bye bye!